MacBook Air battery replacement. If your MacBook Air battery is becoming less reliable and not holding a charge as well as it used to, it's probably time to replace it with a new one. You must have the necessary tools to use in opening the back cover and removing the old battery. Use this guide to replace a faulty battery in your MacBook Air 13 early 2015. Before proceeding, power down your MacBook. Close the display and lay it on a soft surface, top side down. Use a P5 pentalobe driver to remove 10 screws securing the lower case of the following lengths. Wedge your fingers between the display and the lower case and pull upward to pop the lower case off the air. Remove the lower case and set it aside. Remove the following 5 screws securing the battery to the upper case. To ensure that everything is de-energized and won't turn on while you're working, it is recommended that you disconnect the battery. Grab the clear plastic pull tab attached to the battery connector and pull it parallel to the board toward the front edge of the Air. Do not lift upward on the connector as you disconnect it or you risk damage to the connector socket. When handling the battery, avoid squeezing or touching the 4 exposed lithium polymer cells. Lift the battery from its edge nearest the logic board and remove it from the upper case. Your replacement battery may arrive with a plastic film lightly adhered to the top surface. Remove this film when you install the battery. However, if the film is glued on and is difficult to remove, you should leave the film in place. If you're installing a new battery, you should calibrate it after installation. Charge it to 100% and then keep charging it for at least 2 more hours. Then, unplug and use it normally to drain the battery. When you see the low battery warning, save your work and keep your laptop on until it goes to sleep due to low battery. Wait at least 5 hours, then charge your laptop uninterrupted to 100%. If you notice any unusual behavior or problems after installing your new battery, you may need to reset your MacBook's SMC. To reassemble your device, follow these instructions in reverse order. The cost of upgrading your MacBook Air battery varies between $160 and $180, depending on the model you own. You can easily perform the upgrade yourself with the help of our installation instructional videos. Some of kits come with all the necessary tools required for the upgrade. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Thank you for watching.